So far, whatever the structure we have been done, this for the desktop. Okay, for example, someone logged in a mobile, how it will be, how to arrange entire thing to a mobile format. In the sense, someone may be logged in a mobile, then the entire report I need to show it in a mobile. Okay, how to show it in a mobile? We'll go to learn now. For example, you are going to view and mobile layout is their option. Select that mobile layout. Now it will be shown here. The mobile structure has been shown. Now what I will do, I will take each and everything what to be shown in a mobile. For example, I start with a slicer. First, one who logged in, he will start searching for a particular country. Once he has been searching for a country, I need to show him a indicator. I will say here indicator will show like this. Indicator has been shown. Then the average value we would like to show him like this. Then it comes to a multi-chord. Select and drag where you like to place it in your mobile format, how it should be look. Okay, like this, and we'll say this particular thing should be little bit larger. Okay, then scroll down. I would like to show him this particular value, this particular chart like this, and line chart to be shown after the bar chart. Drag to set it to one particular size. Scroll down. Then I would like to show the funnel chart like this, and pie chart like this, or we can reduce the little bit funnel chart, increase pie chart, or if it is congested, take it down. This particular chart will show like this, and this particular chart we will show like this. Okay, scroll down. This particular chart, click and drag like this. Okay, then it comes to a donut chart. Donut chart like this. Maybe like this. Okay, if you like to give the arrow mark, you can give the arrow so that he can move to a next page. Like this we can show him, okay, how to utilize that one to in a next page. This is for the first page, in the sense the demo page, how it should be visualized, and we can do a lock this all the elements wherever we have in position by using a lock objectives. Then I will come back to the normal mode again by click on a mobile layout. So this is in a desktop, how it will be look in a desktop. In a mobile, it will be look like this. Okay, I will come back to. Similarly, we can do it for a page number 2. Page number 2, mobile layout. Okay, these are the things we can use it in a layout. We say first I need a this particular. Okay, then I would like to place a matrix. It will take time to load. come back to original. If it is stuck somewhere, come back to original, again go back, it's loaded. What happened? We have been locked the position. For that reason, we are not able to move. We have to take out the lock first, then we have to arrange as per requirement. Second one, if it is locked, you will not be able to move it. Okay, like this. Then I would like to show the question and answer. Okay, then we have to lock. Once you have been done everything, we have to lock. Again, come back to normal mode. This is how we can add any report into a mobile layout.